Hi friends, today we are going to see the topic about autoboxing and unboxing in Java. First of all, we came to know what is autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing and unboxing is the process of handling primitive data types in collections. We can use this feature to convert primitive data types to wrapper class type automatically. The compiler automatically generates a code implicitly to convert primitive data type to the corresponding wrapper class type, and this process takes place by vice versa. Let me see how these concepts are useful in programs. First of all, I have opened a notepad editor file. I am just saving this file with the name of Autobox. I am just giving with the extension autobox.java. In this program, we are going to see about stacks, that is how to push a value to a stack and how to pop the stack value. So that we are going to import a package called util. So import space java.util util.star. As a next process, we are going to create a class with the name of Autobox. Then in the next step, we are going to write public static void main, static static void main. Then in the arguments, we are just giving string args, then with the square braces. In this case, we are going to create an object for the class stack, so that we are using the class name stack space, then our object name obj equal to new stack, stack. As a next process, in order to push some value into the stack, we may use this coding object dot push. Then in this arguments, we are passing new integer of 10. So here we are passing the arguments as new integer of 10. As a next process, we are going to push another integer value into the stack, so that I am copying these same codes and I am just changing the value of the integer. Our next process is store the popped value into an new integer variable, so that we are declaring integer space a is equal to, within parenthesis we are going to give integer, then we are going to pop an object from the stack, so that we are using object dot pop. It stores the first value of the stack into the integer a. Same way we are giving the b variable, so we are declaring here b, then we are storing the second stack value into the integer b. The next process is we are going to add two variables, so that we are creating a new integer variable. So c is equal to a dot int value, so int value, so int value plus b dot int value. So it adds the two variable values into and stores into the variable c. Now we are going to print that the value of c, so we are using system dot out dot print with the use of /n. I am just giving a message as total. Finally, using the concatenation operator, I am going to print the value of c. These above codings are for our normal Java versions. For the version J2SE 5.0, I am going to write a coding here. So J2SE 5.0. For these users, I am going to write a coding here, so that we are creating a object for stack, stack, and we are going to use this angle brackets to denote that is an integer. So integer, then we are going to create an object, so obj1. Here we are creating an object as obj1 and is equal to new stack. Then we are using this parenthesis and giving semicolon. There is a slight difference here. Here we want to denote that it is an integer. As a next step, we are going to push some integer value into the stack, so that we are using this object1 dot push. So push is a default method. Then here we are giving the arguments as 20. As the same way, I am pushing another value into the stack as 50. Our next step is to add these two objects. So in space we are going to create a new variable. So in int d is equal to object 1 dot pop. With the help of this function we are going to pop some objects from the stack. Then as the next process we are going to pop the second element from this stack, so that we are using this method here. Then as a result we are going to print the value of d to get the summation of those two values. So that I am using system dot out dot print. Then I am just printing here as total is equal to plus, I'm going to print this value d. Then this process is known as Autobox. So I'm just defining this, and then this process is known as unbox. So I'm just denoting here unbox. Then in this normal version the pop operation is known as unbox. Then our push operation is known as autoboxing. So I'm just denoting here as autobox. This is known as autoboxing and unboxing. Now we are going to run this program with the help of command prompt. I am just first compiling this program with the help of these codes. So java c space, then our file name autobox.java. I am just pressing enter. So we have no errors. So I am running this program java space. I am just giving this class name. So autobox. Then our output is displayed. Total is equal to 60 and total is equal to 73. So we are giving this integer value as 10 and 50, so that we are getting the output as 60. Then for this version I am giving the input as 20 and 50. Then we are getting the output as 70. This is the simple program using autoboxing and unboxing. For more videos visit www.tutorjoes.com and don't forget to subscribe Tutor Joes channel at YouTube. Thank you friends.